Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this mullet hair filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. So in this filter what you have to do, just start recording and show your face, okay, and wait for it. Okay, nice hairstyle. Okay, so this is the filter. Okay, to get this filter what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image, this is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for mullet. Okay, the first one with 43 videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for mullet filter. Okay, the first one is the effect, tap on it. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, go to this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.